Ever since Instagram introduced a new feature that allows users to see what their friends liked, there have been privacy concerns regarding this. Some users feel this is unnecessary and prefer to keep their likes private. Fortunately, there seems to be another feature slowly rolling out that allows you to choose to hide your likes from others. With this feature, your previous and new likes on posts and reels will only be visible to you and the account that shared the content. I'm going to show you how to set this up. However, since it's still a new feature in testing, some users might have it while others might not. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so I can keep you updated. To hide the likes you've made, open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the 3-line menu in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down to Who can see your content. Under that, select Likes you've made. From there, you'll see options to choose who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. So you can choose to allow everyone, people you follow, close friends, or even prevent anyone from seeing your likes. Select the last option, Don't allow anyone to see likes, and from that point on, all the likes you make will be private. As I mentioned, if you don't see this feature yet, make sure to update your Instagram app, but also, it's still a new feature in testing, so most people don't have it yet. I'll keep you updated, so see you in the next one.